Hey everybody, it's your anime pal Johnny here, and today I'm going to do something a little different. I am going to build a Gundam. So I've been looking forward to making one for quite a while. I just haven't had the money, to be honest with you, but I finally was able to get my hands on one, and it's one that I've been interested in building for a long time now. It's the Double O RAISER Gundam from Gundam 00. I love that series. I think it's one of my favorite Gundam series, next to things like Iron-Blooded Orphans and Gundam Wing, of course. But just looking forward to putting it together, and hopefully you can have some fun with it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna start off by showing you the box itself. This box is beautiful. I love this art. I gotta find out who does the art for this because it's just fantastic. So as you can see right here, it is a Gundam 00 Master Grade MG. This is the 00 RAISER model, Celestial Being. As far as for this, it was a little bit on the pricey side. It did set me back roughly about $100. So I definitely wouldn't buy this, you know, like every week or whatever. But I mean, as far as for like a once in a while to treat yourself and just to give yourself some pretty cool decor, I definitely think a Gundam model is one way to go. And it's something that you put together, you put your time and energy into. So I feel like it gives you a little bit more, a little something special to that. You know, as far as for when you put your room together or your living room, whatever the space is, you put a little bit of your personality into it as well. Okay, so that's the front of the box. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's the side. I have no idea what it's saying because it's all in Japanese, and my Japanese is super rusty, but I definitely like the artwork on here as well. Let's see. This is the other side. By the way, I actually picked this up over at Minikyu in the Pearl Ridge Shopping Center. I live in Hawaii, and if anybody that's here lives in Hawaii, definitely recommend going to their store if you get a chance. They have some great models, so if you don't want to go through the trouble of actually ordering something online, you want to actually see it in person and touch it and feel it and judge for yourself if this is actually the thing you want to get, definitely recommend taking a stop over there and seeing what they have to offer. So aside from that, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, you're gonna get to watch me struggle a bit here. Let's see if this comes off. Okay, it is taped shut. That makes sense. Okay, just pop those open. See what we got. Alrighty. Okay. So this looks like it's gonna be for the either the jet portion or I think this is for the jet part of the build. Also looks like it belongs there. I want to say this is for one of the feet, or maybe both of the feet. Okay, that looks like it's going to be for the chest piece, and that looks like it's actually going to be for the weapon. Okay, what is this? Looks like more special stuff for the chest piece. This is, I think this is for the shield, maybe the weapon as well. Okay, looks like more of the jet parts with this. am not sure. Oh, I think this is the feet. I think this is for the bottom of the feet and all the darker parts of the body. Okay. This looks like... I have no idea what these are, but they're probably important. Okay, it looks like more smaller pieces. I have no idea where these go. That's how much of a noob I am at this stuff, but I've only built one model in my life, and this is going to be my second one, and I decided to go for one of the harder builds apparently. Or maybe it's as easy and I'm just a noob at it. I don't know. But I'm going to give it the old college try. Okay. Alright. And the last bit of the white parts. Looks like more of the limbs and some more of the other, I guess the other longer parts of the build. Pointier parts. Okay, definitely want to keep this. This is the instruction manual. Okay, hopefully I can make sense of it even though it's not in English. I think I should be okay. So aside from just using the table here, I went and got one of these handy dandy mats. Hopefully it's a cutting mat, but hopefully it helps keep the parts from sliding all over the place and makes it a little easier to see. We shall see. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start opening up all the packaging. Oh, I should also mention the tools that I'm gonna be using. I got this fancy tool also from Mini-Q. This handy dandy little clipper. And I'll probably need this guy right here. Handy dandy old fashioned pair of scissors to open up all the packaging. And who knows, I may even need this. My handy dandy little old X-Acto knife. It's a bit on the old side, but it still works for the most part. finally finished it. It only took forever, but Double Riser is complete. I think he came out pretty good considering that I am a novice and I do not know what I'm doing. You know, I always wanted to make a one of these guys. I've tried it before, and you know, it was with a lower grade model, but I still had fun. But this is the first time I ever got to do like a proper master grade. And for one of my favorite designs too, I think the Double Riser is a fantastic model. But in any case, it was definitely a difficult build. It took a lot of time. I was able to complete it in one day, so that's not bad. But I mean, of course, I'm sure more experienced builders could probably build a lot faster than me. That being said, though, there's a lot of parts that made it more challenging and more fun. And I just really like the way it came out. It definitely, I think it's going to add a little bit more character to my decor. And also, it was a good experience. I think doing stuff like this, stuff that you normally don't do, is a great way to learn. I think not only about yourself, but also about other people, their interests, what you can learn from them, what can make your life more interesting. Definitely want to do another one sometime down the road, depending on the model. I definitely want to do the Wing Gundam from Gundam Wing. It's just kind of hard to find that model unless I order it online. But that will be in the future sometime down the road. In any case, I hope you all enjoyed this. I know I did. And if you like this video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. And please leave a comment. I greatly appreciate it. That's all I've got for today, and to all my fellow fools and dreamers out there, Johnny.